It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and I am so excited because I just got my HelloFresh delivery, you guys. It was sent directly to my door today, and I have been craving tacos, and guess what was in my box? Tacos. So I think that's what I'm gonna make with you guys today for lunch, and I want to give a huge shout out to HelloFresh for collaborating with me on today's video. I work with them almost every month, and it is such a fun experience. I feel like throughout this entire HelloFresh journey of mine, I've been able to learn new tips in the kitchen, new recipes, getting out of my comfort zone of eating the same things all the time. I'm so excited. This is gonna be a fun activity for me, cooking up a new recipe. So I do want to mention that HelloFresh was so kind enough to hook the dolls up with an exclusive offer. So you can get 10 free meals off your first month of HelloFresh when you use the code KaylaShae10. So I'll leave that in the description box along with the link down below. So today I'm going to be doing their pork carnitas tacos with pickled onions and Monterey Jack cheese. You guys know I don't eat dairy, so it's very easy for me to alter my meal. All my ingredients, and I love that everything already comes in a bag, pre-measured out. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is prep by washing all of my produce. Now the recipe says that this only takes 35 minutes to make tacos, so let's see how true that is. I'm going to start by chopping my onion. I'm going to use 1/2 with the cooked veggies. So I'm going to dice it, and then the other half I'm going to thinly slice so that I can pickle them with the vinegar. And I'm going to add, a little bit of sugar to it, some salt, and some water, just like the recipe calls for. So once I've got that all mixed together, I'm going to set that aside and let it pickle while I continue to cook the rest of the meal. So I'm going to dice up this poblano pepper as well as a tomato. In a pan, I'm going to pop this on a medium heat. I'm going to add some olive oil, and I'm going to start cooking the ground pork. Now I'm excited because I've never cooked ground pork before, so this will be interesting to see what it's going to taste like, but I'm just going to brown it, and while I do that, I'm going to add some black pepper and a little bit of pink salt. So I'm waiting for the meat to cook right now, and then I'm pretty much almost done. I'm having so much fun just listening to music and doing something different. I never make my tacos like this. I feel like my tacos are very minimal. So pickling the onions was something very different, and I feel like it's gonna be a unique flavor in the end. So I'm excited to try it out and see this combination. And I've also never created ground pork tacos before. Usually I'll just do like ground chicken or steak or something. So again, this is what I mean by making it fun and trying things that are a little bit different than what you're used to having. Like the same meals, like tacos, yes, but switching it up in a fun way that you never think to do is always so fun. So I'm gonna finish this up, and I will show you guys what my tacos are looking like once they're all done. Now that the pork is brown, I'm going to remove it from the heat and then start sauteing the peppers and the onions again, and a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna add some salt and some pepper to taste. One thing I didn't mention about HelloFresh that I love is that you can really customize it. So I always get the family style boxes for 4 people. This way I have a lot of food. Essentially, I'm just meal prepping for myself. So this is one of my favorite ways to utilize HelloFresh, is to cook everything all at once, and I can pick out the meals throughout the week. So I'm gonna add my meat back into the pan once my veggies are softened, and then I'm going to add the pre-measured out packets of seasoning. So I have some tomato sauce, some chicken stock, a little bit of a fajita blend, and then I'm gonna add the chipotle mix in as well, since I'm not using the creme with my taco recipe. I'm gonna mix all of this flavor together, and guys, this was smelling so good. So I'm gonna add a little bit of water to thin it out and to keep it nice and hydrated. And I'm going to pop my tortillas in the microwave just for 30 seconds to soften them, and then I'm going to assemble my tacos with all of the toppings. Wow, you guys, I am so impressed. My tacos never look like this. You guys see my tacos when I attempt to make them cute and stuff, but this is on a whole new level. I don't know how many is in a serving. I have to double check, but I just made myself a plate of 3 because it's 1 o'clock and I'm hungry. Made a little bit of a mess, but I have all of this left over. This is what I'm talking about, you guys. If you want to meal prep, you're already cooking anyways. You might as well make more than what you need per meal. You can have tacos for the next few days and you don't have to worry about making a big mess in the kitchen and then cooking every single time you want a snack. So I'm really excited to take my first bite. This looks amazing. We have the spicy pork tacos with poblano peppers and a flour tortilla. Of course, I added some cilantro on top, and then the tomatoes. You could also go in and add the creme, which is in the recipe, but of course I didn't add that to mine. And it also came with cheese if you like to add cheese to your tacos. But this is my version of the HelloFresh. Let me show you guys. The HelloFresh Carnitas tacos. So this is theirs. Let's see if I can get that. And those are mine. Not too bad, you guys. And I just learned a new recipe in the kitchen. I just love cooking. Oh my gosh, yeah. And I definitely think it took maybe less than 35 minutes. But yeah, this is the recipe. Step-by-step photo instructions. So again, if you guys want to get 10 free meals off your first month of HelloFresh, definitely check out the link in the description box and the code KaylaLashae10 at checkout. Ooh, natural light don't play. Hey, about to try these tacos for you guys. I am so excited. I definitely love tacos. It's on my list of like top 5 favorite meals because I think they're so simple and easy to make, and you can always spice it up. Maybe you guys learned a new technique or two, new recipe combination that you can try out. And I feel like these are pretty basic ingredients that most people already have at home, so might as well try it out. But I think HelloFresh is really cool because you don't have to ever go to the market. You never have to forget an ingredient.